Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Have you ever glanced at your LG dryer only to see that frustrating NP code flashing on the screen? If you're dealing with this in 2025 or any year, don't panic. I'm here to guide you through a simple fix that could save you time and money. The NP code usually indicates a power-related issue, like a disruption in the electrical supply or a minor glitch in the dryer's system. It's a common problem, but with a few straightforward steps, you can get your dryer up and running again in no time. First things first, start by ensuring your dryer is properly plugged in. Check the power cord for any damage and make sure it's securely connected to a working outlet. If that doesn't solve it, try resetting the dryer. Unplug the machine from the wall for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This often clears temporary errors. Next, inspect your home's circuit breaker. Sometimes, the dryer draws a lot of power and trips the breaker. Locate your electrical panel, find the switch for your dryer, and flip it off and then on again. While you're at it, double-check for any blown fuses. Now, let's look at maintenance. The NP code could be triggered by a clogged lint filter or vent. Open up the dryer and clean the lint filter thoroughly. Trust me, this is a quick step that prevents bigger issues down the line. Also, ensure the exhaust vent isn't blocked. Use a vacuum or a brush to clear out any lint buildup. If these steps don't work, it might be time to call in a professional. There could be an underlying electrical problem or a faulty component that needs expert attention. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the dryer before any troubleshooting to avoid shocks. And there you have it. By following these tips, you should be able to banish that NP code for good. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy home repair guides. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.